Hello and welcome back to BOOMindustries.com. Now we're going to show you how to use Aviary software called Raven to design your snowboard. First, click Customize your design online. You will see that Aviary software automatically opens with our snowboard template preloaded. The first and foremost and most important thing that you need to do is lock this template. To lock it, click the toggle lock to the left of the snowboard template. When you see the locks showing, the entire template has been locked. Next, zoom out so you can see an overall view of the entire snowboard. Now that we have the snowboard showing up, the next thing we're going to show you is how to import a picture into your snowboard design. It's as easy as clicking File and Import File. Here, Aviary gives you several options on what type of image you want to bring in. You can either upload an image, specify a URL that you can use and bring an image in from another website, use your Aviary library if you already have an Aviary account. Bring in a photo from Flickr maybe. Bring in a photo from Facebook, Picasa, or your Tumblr account. For this demonstration, we are going to use the Upload feature. Simply click Choose File, locate the file that you want to upload, select it, and click Open. Next, click Upload File. Aviary will import your file into your snowboard template. As you can see here, our logo has been brought in. You can simply click the logo or the file or whatever picture it is that you bring in and drag it to wherever you would like it to be placed. You can resize the photo by clicking the end boxes in whichever direction you want. For this example, we'll expand the photo a little bit. Next, going back to our layers box and collapsing our snowboard template, we can see that we have the photo above it and the snowboard template below. We want to make sure that all of our photos and our design layers are always below our snowboard template. So click the bitmap here and drag it down so that it's below the snowboard template. What this does is keeps our snowboard template on top of all the other photos that we bring in. So to show you an example of what we're talking about here, I'm going to drag this logo down through the template, and as you can see, it goes underneath the borders of the template. Next, we're going to show you how to rotate your images. Simply click the image you would want to rotate so that it's selected like such. Click Object, Rotate, and then select from one of the following options. You can either rotate clockwise by 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or counterclockwise by 90 degrees, or even rotate by a custom angle. For this example, we will use a custom angle. I'm going to make it rotate my image by 45 degrees. As you can see, it's easy as that. Now you can drag this to wherever you'd like, or resize it again. One of the other great features of Aviary is the ability to search the web for photos. Click Import File again from the File menu. From here, you can go to, as an example, the Aviary library and look through Aviary's existing creations and select one to put onto your snowboard. For this example, I'm going to take a look at some of the swatches that they have. Click Search, and Aviary will show you all the swatches. You can type in here a specific topic or keyword that you would be looking for as well, and it will find that as well. Here it is showing us a variety of different swatches to choose from. I'm going to make a selection of this one right here. I click it once, it shows me a preview of the swatch on the left. Then I can always click Import Image. That's going to bring that swatch into our template file. Once again, we want to move that image, down below the snowboard template. As you can see once more, the image is below the snowboard template and doesn't interfere anymore with the boundaries of your snowboard. Once more, I can move the swatch to the left side if I want, click the drag button, and expand this swatch across the entire snowboard. It's as easy as that. Once you're done creating your design, and you have an idea of what you want your snowboard to look like, saving it and putting it into your gallery is simple. Just go to the top right and click Save As. Type in a name for your new creation, and click the Save as a New Creation button. You can also add an added description or add tags to this creation. Aviary now spends some time compressing and saving your file. This process can take up to several minutes. Please be patient with Aviary. We are working with very large graphics and very large file sizes, and we're always trying to do our best to optimize this speed of service. Once the saving process is done, it will take you back to your snowboard. Next, click Back to Boom Industries at the top of the screen. It'll ask you to make sure that you've saved your work because it's about to leave this page. Make sure you've saved your work and then click Leave this page. And there you have it. Now your design is in your private design gallery. You can take a look at it again by clicking the image. Or if you'd like to share it out through Facebook or Twitter, you can do so here as well. If you want to go back and edit your image, simply click the Edit button and Aviary will open up once more and load your snowboard template. If you're ready to purchase your design, simply click the Add to Cart button. Next, click the shopping cart to the left, and you will see your snowboard in the shopping cart. Continue with the PayPal checkout process, and your board will be on its way to you before you know it. Thank you for joining us here again. Take a look for more videos as we create more for your